Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. And in today's video, it is a two situation right here, as we're just straight away gonna review both together right here, which is the new Honda Civic Type R. As you can see on the left side, it is in a blue color. On the right side, it's more to a gray color, which I'm gonna talk about right now. So let's start from the left one right here. As you can see, this one is in Boost Blue Pearl, and we'll talk about this box first. So it says Mini GT. You have the blue side right here, the matte gray side right here. You have the car on the side right here, side view illustration, which is actually pretty cool. Going down to the top, the car number is 637, box number, sorry. Going down to the back, TSM model, licensed by Honda. Honda Civic Type R, right-hand drive, Boost Blue Pearl. TSM model, there's that if you need it. And here is the bottom. So that's the blue one. Here is the gray one right here. Mini GT, more to a dark gray on this side, and the matte gray here on the right. Honda Civic Type R, Sonic Gray Pearl, and there is the car with its illustration right there in Sonic Gray Pearl. Moving down to the top, you do have this dark gray again. This time the box says 659 and Mini GT and blah blah. TSM model, licensed by TSM. Honda, licensed by Honda as well. Honda Civic Type R, right-hand drive, Sonic Gray Pearl. So basically, we're gonna open up both of these up and showcase it for you guys. As our previous Honda Civic video, we actually reviewed, of course, the first two Honda Civic reviews were the white Honda Civic Type R as well as the red Honda Civic Type R. And then I reviewed I solo reviewed the Honda Civic Type R in the black color, and this time we're gonna review two at once again, just like our first video of the Honda Civic reviews. We are reviewing the gray and blue one together. So yeah, without further ado, let's actually open this up. So we're starting off with the blue one first. What is it called? Boost Blue Pearl. Yeah. Show it to you first. Here it is, Boost Blue Pearl, Honda Civic Type R. So it's just like your average metallic blue Honda Civic Type R. Aside the colors that we've reviewed in the past, which were in white, metallic red, as well as metallic black. All of those cars share different similarities and differences. The first Honda Civic Type R, which was the first debut in white, that Civic debuted in its stock rims, whereas the red version debuted in the Advan styled rims, which were 5 spokes in black. And then the metallic black version of the Honda Civic, it released the matte, sort of matte gray color of the Advan rims. So this blue version right here that you're seeing in front of, that we're seeing in front of me, it is basically in the stock rim version again. Same goes for the Sonic Gray Pearl version. And if you ask me, like, I don't know why they actually used only 2 castings for the Advan styled rims. Maybe they were just to test test out whether people would buy it more with the advent rims or just the stock rims. But if you ask me personally, that just gives less of detail. Basically, it's just like a minor problem. Basically, it's just about the rims, but other than that, people are fine with it. No complaints so far about the Civic Type R. And yeah, if you look at this blue one right here, it's pretty much the same thing as the white, red, and black version. And I guess that's like the only difference, like the blue color of the car basically. So let's actually take a closer look. Then after the blue one, we shall take a turntable look of the Sonic Grey Pearl Civic. So here we have the Boost Blue Pearl Honda Civic Type R. So we'll start from this side first. So we start from the back of the rims. As you can see, these are the stock rims that I were talking about. That first released on the white Civic Type R, which was the metallic white first Honda Civic Type R 2023. And yeah, they used it here as well. So the side, of course, pretty much clean as always. You do have this like singular sort of like matte gray sort of tiny strip down the side, and of course some black trim as well. You do have the car door handles. You have blacked out side mirrors, of course, and yeah, that's basically it for the side. Nothing much else to say. Moving down to the front, you do have the lensed plastic clear headlights right here on both sides, of course. You do have this front grille right here with the Honda logo right there. Some air vents on the front, and yeah, that's basically it. So for the hood, you do have this hood intake right here, which is actually pretty cool. Regular windshield tint, blacked out interior, and right hand drive. Pretty cool. Blacked out dashboard as well. So nothing much on the roof. The roof is pretty clean as always. It doesn't really say anything, but it's fine. So yeah, pretty cool. Of course, on the side, same as the other one. Of course, very clean, and also very sick. I do really like it. Let's move on to the back of the car. So you do have this plastic blacked out spoiler right here, which is actually not too bad if you ask me. You do have the rear light details right here, which are transparent as well. Honda logo in the middle. Civic Type R license plate right there in black. You do have some more vents right here, and also you do have the triple exhaust tip in the middle, which are detailed in chrome silver right there, which is nice. You do have these what do you call these, diffusers at the bottom of the car, which is actually pretty cool. Overall, quite a sick car. And let's move on to the base. So metal matte, sort of matte texture right here. It says Mini GT and made in China. That's basically it. Overall, I would say the blue version actually is quite nice. I do really like it. Let's move on to the Sonic Grey Pearl version. We'll put it on the turntable first so that you can see the car clearer. So here it is, the Sonic Grey Pearl Honda Civic Type R. Overall, like I said, it's quite similar to the blue version, just that the colors are basically swapped, or like changed basically a different color. Of course, the rims are the same, headlights are the same, basically the details are the same, no extra decals or anything. Of course, a clean car right here we have. So let us take a closer look at this version now. So here it is, the Honda Civic Type R in this Sonic Grey Pearl. So like I said, for the rims, pretty much similar thing as the blue version and also the metallic white version, which was the first release, and they are pretty much similar. So you have that singular like line of silver right there. You do have some more black trim, blacked out side mirror right here. Moving down to the front, you do have the lensed plastic headlights. You do have the front grille colored in black, of course, Honda logo, and some hood air vents at the front, and you do have the hood intake, of course, as well. So blacked out interior, regular windshield tint, and also right hand drive. Overall pretty nice. Of course, nothing on the roof or anything, pretty much empty as always. Here's the other side. Of course, it is also empty as this is a clean Honda Civic. And let's move on to the back. So you do have the plastic blacked out rear spoiler right here on the top. You do have the rear lights, which are colored in red and also transparent right there, which are pretty cool. Honda logo in the middle, Honda Civic Type R license plate right there, rear diffuser right here in black, and you do have the triple exhaust tips, which are also detailed in chrome silver right there. Oops. So the base says Mini GT and also made in China. I think I should put both on the turntable for now. So this should be my 4th and 5th Civic in my collection. I actually have the 6th already for now, but I haven't have the time to review it yet. It is basically the like a celebration edition. It's like a racing version of the Honda Civic Type R. If I'm not mistaken, it's like Happy Thanks Vietnam Day, if I'm not mistaken. That is also on its way. I will be reviewing that soon. It is colored in white with some like Honda Tempo, Honda Racing like livery or anything, something like that. And I cannot wait to review that as well. And who knows, maybe in that review I might showcase all 6 of mine Civics that I have with me right now. And the progression for me to collect all of the Civics are, I believe, almost maybe yes, as I already have 6, and who knows, I might actually continue more until I don't know when will they stop. Like the FK8 version last time, yeah, they had so many castings. It like released 10s to 20s of times back when the FK8 era was like popular and hyped up. Basically, they released a lot of FK8s for Mini GT, and yeah, I assume the same thing is gonna happen for these FL5s. But so far I only have 6. Hopefully maybe they'll be releasing them until like the 10th time or 12th, who knows. But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Honda Civic Type R's, which are in, I prefer the name again, Sonic Grey Pearl and also Boost Blue Pearl. But yeah, there you go. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.